Welcome back to the channel, guys. What I didn't do so far, although the car arrived like 1 week ago, is to show you that it's actually here. Kyle Fletcher, for me one of the best automotive photographers here in the States, texted me, let's go and let's shoot the car. We just shot some rollers for our stuff. Now we are waiting for a guy with a FPV drone to take his shots, and 4 o'clock we are having the appointment with Kyle somewhere close to the airport, and I'm really looking forward to do that. We wanted to shoot also last time when I had the M3 over here, but we didn't manage to do so. I missed the chance, but now we're gonna do it, and I want to introduce you guys to him because he's a really good photographer. As I told you, one of the best for me. Yeah, let's first wash the car. Bogdan is gonna take some shots right now and also at the location. I'm really super excited to do that, but I'm more excited that I have the car here because I had the M3. Well, it was nice. It's nice to have your car here, but it was always my dream to have the Lambo or the Porsche over here because that's nuts. It's crazy how the people look at it, how they take pics on the roads while driving. I didn't expect that. I mean, it's like a super nice thing to have people recognizing you in Miami, in the United States. And yeah, that gives me the chills because I didn't expect that. It was nice last time, but this one with the Porsche is just nuts. People stop by, tell me that they know me from Instagram, and I'm so grateful for that. So thank you, America, for having us. So far, Miami was treating us really nicely. And let's check it out, what's going on today with Kyle. I'm really excited to meet him too. And yeah, I want to take you with me on this journey. Let's go. You know, sometimes a man has to do what a man has to do, and I really love to clean my car, so I told him that I would like to do the wheels and he should do the rest. What you probably wouldn't expect is the fact that here, washing the car by hand is less expensive than in Romania. In Romania, we probably would pay $25 to $30 in our area, and here it's 20. Wow, it's insane, and it's nice because they do a really great job, and I'm very happy with that. So, time to shoot. Let's go. Okay, what happened is that we've been contacted by Alex and Alex, because there are two Alexes. They're both Romanians, but we speak English because we started the vlog in English, so we continue. So guys, what's the plan for today? It's gonna be an FPV drone?
Yeah, we're gonna use a Nazgul.
Okay,
a Nazgul drone.
Tell us about it.
It's a F2.
Okay.
It has an O2 unit from DJI. I used all the DJI other software, the goggles and the remote.
But you say the camera on the GoPro is better than the one on the
Yes, this thing with a 6S LiPo battery, we can go up to 5 minutes.
But you have 3 of those, right?
Yeah, 3 of those. We can go as fast as 190 kilometers per hour.
Oh my fucking god, this is sick.
Yeah.
So finally some really aggressive stuff.
Yes.
Because with a regular drone, even if it's in sport mode, you can go like faster than 50 or...
I think like 50, 60, it depends on the drone, but it also overheats really fast on that one.
Yeah.
The battery will overheat if you go
continuously. So that's basically a power drone that's like the Lamborghini under the drones.
You can call it like that if you want, yeah.
I mean, from the speed perspective, from the speed point of view, at least.
Yes, it will be like that.
So for the first time, some drone will catch up with the Porsche.
Yes, and I'm excited. I mean, this is very, very exciting for me. You know, knowing you as a Romanian and watching all your stuff online and seeing you here in Miami. We drove 3 hours and a half. Yeah, 3 hours.
Are you kidding me?
No, not kidding.
Where you guys come from?
From all the way Key West.
You really come from Key West? Yes. Because you told me and I said abroad that's not possible because Key West is basically a tourist destination, but you live there?
Yeah,
you live in Key West?
Yeah.
There's like houses where you can live in Key West?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Barely.
And why Key West? I mean,
Well, it all came as a challenge for us. I originally used to live in Jersey, and one of my friends was like, let's move out of here. We want something more warm, you know.
Okay.
The winters in Jersey are a little bit rough for us. So
Okay.
as soon as we came down here, we loved it and we never left.
I mean, I understand that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's really difficult not to love it. But how's the drive? How's the roads from Key West to here?
You know,
Are there cops on the road? Can you speed, or how is that?
You cannot really speed unless you have like a radar detector. I'm assuming
okay.
you got one?
I don't have one because I don't speed.
Okay, all right, that's fair enough.
I mean, we are here in the States and we are supposed to be guests, tourists for the moment, and I want to behave and at least to respect the law and not to get in trouble because I really want to spend my time here.
I love that. I love that. It should be like that. And the cops are pretty awesome all over Florida, to be honest.
Oh yeah, we had a really nice experience with the police, so I don't want to this up.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, we drive also last year with the M3 with the Romanian plates. We had 0 issues. Nobody stopped us. Nobody bothered us. So
yeah,
it's really cool.
Yeah, and I think this is Florida doesn't mandate you to have a front license either.
Yeah.
So that's.
Oh my God, that's what I love. I probably love the
Yeah.
most here in Florida that I can drive my car without the front plate.
Yeah, you don't
legal.
need it. Exactly,
Yeah.
legally.
It's so sick.
Yeah, yeah. Or you can put a custom one, like that could say whatever it says.
Yeah. Basically, yeah. This is what you can do. You can use whatever you want for the front because since it's not mandatory, you can customize it. How old are you guys?
We're 30.
Okay, both of you.
Fortunately, yes.
Yes. We
Young,
just turned
very young. Very
young. Nah, not anymore.
I'm 43.
Yeah, you look young, man.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today.
Yeah.
Let's start. Let's go.
Let's go.
Cool. But it's just nuts because usually the drones can't keep up. It's impossible. I think right now after the U-turn, it's nice.
I think so. I tried to get some good ones here. Almost, you'll see. I almost crashed in you.
Oh, yeah, I saw you. I saw you.
was-
I swear.
I prayed about it. Like last night, my only thing forgot.
No
was that-
crash.
No crash. Zed's car, please. He's gonna be pissed off.
Not necessarily. It can happen, you know.
I know.
If you play with fire, you can get burned. So.
For sure. I agree.
Okay, we just meet Kyle. The location is super sick. So check this out. The legend, true legend, is at work shooting my car. Oh my fucking God. What's going on, Kyle?
What's going on, man? How are you?
Let's talk to my audience. This is Kyle Fletcher, one of the best photographers in the fucking world. I'm not kidding.
No.
I'm a little bit excited. Sorry for being nervous. I'm standing right beside this legend. So yeah, just introduce yourself a little bit.
Oh, yeah, sure. What's going on, everybody? My name is Kyle Fletcher. I'm an automotive photographer and videographer here down in Miami, Florida. I've been covering all over the United States for about 11 years now. It's crazy to think that it's been 11 years I've been doing this.
Crazy,
so
yeah.
met some cool people, driven some cool cars. Zed and I have been talking literally for, I'd say, probably 5-6 years now. We've been following each other, been talking back and forth.
We missed the M3 last year.
We missed the M3 when it was all blacked out, on the satin black with the black wheels. It was a beautiful car.
Yeah.
Zed always makes cool things, and whenever he's here for the 3 to 4 months, we always try to meet up, but he always is traveling to LA. He's always traveling all over the country. Well, finally, he said he's nervous. I'm more nervous. I'm more excited because we have talked for so long. He does such amazing stuff over in Romania, Austria, Germany, everywhere, in the Swiss, everywhere. I'm just really happy to be here. Like, you have no idea how excited I am. He's like my European brother. Like, I'm 6'4", he's 6'4", so it's like I'm European blood. So it's
We
like
share the same passion, of course.
literally. And as I was coming over here, I was telling him, working here in Miami, I see so many people have no idea what they just buy things and do cool things with cars because they think it's cool and flashy. I get it, I respect it, but the one thing that just makes it such a nice fresh breath of air is meeting people like Zed is because he's a passionate, legitimate car enthusiast that loves what he does and probably loves it equally as much, if not more than me, which is why I'm really excited to be doing this because I know he loves what he does and I love what I do. So it's just nice just to be modding cars, doing cool stuff, creating for a living, and just being at cool locations, I guess. So Hopefully,
so
hopefully I didn't word vomit too much.
We'll just let you work now, and we're gonna watch you, because usually it's me the one who takes pictures. Now I can enjoy a real pro.
You can relax.
Yeah,
You can relax a
exactly.
little
So
bit.
let's do it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Make these nightmares come true.
Location number 2, actually one of the best one that I've seen. I mean, I didn't expect anything else from Kyle. He knows everything in this area. He's home and knows all the big spots or the good spots. And this one is for sure one of the best. He knows his shit. That's what I like. It's passion. You can see that he does it for his pleasure, not only for money or for, I don't know, for other reasons, just because he loves to take pics. It's crazy. So guys, we had also food. Thank you for the guac. How do you say it?
We call it guac.
Guac. So guacamole, they call it guac.
We call it
It was a
guac.
good guac. Sorry. Thank you for having us. Thank you for your day. Thank you for like everything. And I'm
Dude.
looking forward to the pictures.
Dude, I'm
really
really
looking forward.
the photos came out good. The video came out good,
Yeah.
dude. Everything was loads of fun.
Thank you so
today.
much, bro.
Dude.
So there we go.
It was good seeing you.
Over and
Bro.
out.